Hi guys, welcome everyone to the DevTown and this amazing tutorial of the Pandas. So guys, in this video, I will tell you about how you can open an Excel file. Okay, so now let's just simply start with. So the first thing you have to do guys, you have to open the location of the file. Like here we have the location. So you just open the properties and copy this link. And the next thing you have to do, you have to import as PD. Okay, pandas as PD, and in the next you have to do df is equal to. Okay, I hope that guys this thing is very much clear. Read, and here you have to assign the data type, which is excel, and then you have to paste that link. Wait a second guys, what has happened here? Let me copy this link once more. Fine guys. Okay, and now one thing I have to do more, I have to add a two slash here. Okay, so you have to add it everywhere, and now at the end you have to add again two slash and write the name of the file. So here I have the name excel file, and at the end you have to give the closing, which is xlsx. Okay, so we are done with this, and in the next line we have to write df head. So now guys, why we are writing the head here? So it will show us the top elements of the Excel file. See guys, now if we are running it, we are getting the top elements of our Excel file, in which we have the quantity, unnamed product code, okay, items. And apart from it, we can also get the bottom five rows. So we have to type tail here for that. See guys, now I am getting the bottom five rows. Now guys, coming to the next part, which is the data cleaning part. So how you can do the data cleaning? So suppose now you have to remove the rows to get rid of the empty cells. So how you gonna do that? Wait a second guys, let me import it from here. Okay. Okay guys, I have to do it manually. Actually I hope that till here there is no issue. And now we have to use df, and wait a second guys, let me do this. Now guys, as you can see on the screen, so what we have done here guys, as you can see here, there are some elements which are missing from here. So it will remove all the rows with the empty elements. As you can see, now every row is having an element. So this is how you gonna remove the rows. Now there is one more thing, guys, you have to get the data in the right format. You have to remove the wrong format data. Okay, so we can do with the the ways. Suppose guys, in the data we are having the date and time, and now we have to sort it. So how we can do, let me show you with an syntax. Okay guys, so it will be guys, simple. Let me edit in this. We are not having the date in the data, so I will just show you the syntax. Okay, so you just have to simply write the date here and give the equal to, and come to the next line, then pd dot to, and write the date time. Okay, I hope that till here there is no issue. Then you have to write date again. Okay, and at the end you have to write print underscore string. So now what will be this function doing? So it will sort all the date and time data in your file. If there is suppose empty cell or a wrong cell, so it will remove it. And now guys, there is one more method in the pandas, which is data correlations. So a correlation method calculates the relationship between each column in your data set. Okay, so it will tell you a relationship between the each column. So how you gonna do that? Like for an example, take this data only, import it. So this will be the same first two line. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have the syntax for it. So the syntax is very simple, df dot corr. Okay, so this is the syntax for finding the correlation. See guys, now it is showing us the relation between this and unnamed 13. Okay, so this is how we can find the relationship between the data. So guys, this thing is used very much in the field of data science, because data science is all about to get the insights from the data. And guys, in this correlation there is some aspect, like for a, let me write it down on the screen. For a perfect correlation, okay, so the correlation like we are having here is a 1, so it is the perfect correlation in the data. I hope guys you are getting my word what I'm trying to explain you. Okay, and a good correlation like range lies from 0 0.922 so this is like the value for a good correlation, and for a bad it is guys, so 0.009403. Okay, I hope guys that this correlation part is very much clear to you. It is very simple. You have to just assign the data and you have to write the syntax df.corr, which is stand for correlation, and it will find the insight for you. So it will be very like simple thing. So there is no issue. Now guys, there is one more very important topic, which is pandas plotting. Okay, so as you have known that in the data science we can plot the data like graph with the help of the data. So how we can do that thing we will learn. So before this we will learn about the plotting. So the syntax for it is the plot as I have written on the screen. As you can show, to create the diagrams we can use pyplot, a submodule of the matplot library, to visualize the diagram on the screen. Okay, so we will use this library. I will show like how you can use this. So coming to the part, you have to import pandas as pd. Okay, and then the thing is very simple, import matplot library. Okay, pyplot fplt. I hope that till here everything is clear. You have to just use the packages from the library. Okay, so it is not like that difficult kind of thing. And after that you have to like write the location of the file. So it is very simple, pd dot, you have to assign the data. We have the excel data here, and this bracket you have to write the name of the file. We have excel file dot xlxs. Okay, so this thing is very much clear. Now you have to use the syntax df plot. Okay, and after that you have to use plot show. So this is the syntax to get the plot. Now if I run this, see guys, now I am getting the graph. Okay, okay guys, so apart from it you can also like use the scatter plot. In this you have to give the x-axis and y-axis values. So how you can do that thing is guys, you have to just add the kind here. Okay, actually my this data cannot be converted into this form, but you can do this with this simple syntax. It is very simple guys, and in this x you have to write the value, and in this y you have to also write the value in which you want the scatter graph. Okay, so guys, I hope that everything is very much clear. I have told you like how to create the labels. Okay, this was taught in the previous video, how to open the Excel files, okay, how to copy the link of the Excel file and how to assign it to the Jupyter notebook. I hope guys that this video is very much clear to you, and please subscribe to our channel DevTown.